Children, this is the continuation of adverbs. Already we have studied what is adverb and different kinds of adverbs. So today we are going to see about position of adverbs, where we have to place adverbs. So we place adverbs of manner and place, that is after the direct object or after the verb if there is no direct object. Children, already you have studied what is direct object. In the given sentence, that is the things, about the things which it is talked, that is the direct object, and indirect object pronoun or noun. So here adverb of manner or the place, it will be placed after this. For example, we play football here. So here adverb of place is placed here at the last. And they walked quickly. How they walked? Quickly. So the walked is the verb, and about the verb what it is said? Quickly. So this is the placing of manner and place. And next is adverb of time. It is placed at the end of the sentence. For example, the shop is closed today. And sometimes, children, it is placed in the beginning of the sentence also to emphasize any changes. For example, to say particularly about that, today the shop is closed. So this can be placed at the end also, and sometimes in rare cases time that comes in the front of the sentence, okay, is at the front. Next, children, adverb of frequency. So adverb of frequency is used directly before the main verb. So we have studied what is frequency. So here this is placed as a directly before the main verb. So main verb, I am usually in school at this time. So before the verb, here this usually is maintained. And we usually go to bed early. Go, so before that usually is placed. So this is the adverb of frequency. So here, children, we have studied where to write the adverbs. Next, we are going to study about formation of adverbs. So adverbs can be formed by adding ly to it from adjectives. So when adjective is given, by adding ly to that, you can make the adverbs. For example, quick, quickly, loud, loudly, lazy, lazily. Here, children, at the end here y is there, so we will be using ILY. And here slow, slowly, and careless, carelessly, active, actively, easy, again easy, y it is ending with, so ILY. So in this way we can make from adjectives adverbs.